Changing the phone number associated with your Netflix account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your Netflix account using your email and password on a web browser or the Netflix app. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update phone number. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Membership and Billing or Profile and Parental Controls. Find the option to update your phone number and click on it. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to ensure the number is correct. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Netflix account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance.